A river flows endlessly, never looking back. It carves through obstacles, shaping the world with persistence and strength. Inspired by this philosophy, we meticulously handcrafted a flowing river etched onto a wood veneer. 9 seamless panels, each one a masterpiece, coming together like nature's own creation. A 34 feet wide expression of movement and harmony, crafted with dark and light grey hues, echoing the river's graceful journey. This is more than design. This is art. This is time, flow, and resilience, immortalized in wood veneer.